Hi guys, welcome to Aussie's group. This is Vidisha Vitlani and I'm back with the vocab pop-up today. We have three words again and the first word is sabotage. Now what does sabotage mean? It's quite a heavy word. Sabotage simply means to destroy or damage completely. That means the company's image is totally sabotaged or don't you sabotage my image, okay? The second word is array. Array. Array means a large number of things, different large group of things. Like for example, there's an array of subjects to choose from for our students. There is an array of colleges available to pick. Okay, and the third is a very easy term again, cordial. Cordial. Cordial means something which is very pleasant, something which is very friendly. So the countries have a cordial relation. Please behave cordially with your colleagues. So the three words for today are sabotage, cordial, and array. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.